In southeastern Spain, where mountains rise from fertile plains and the Segura River moves quietly through the valley, there is a city where time feels different. Not frozen, not forgotten, but present, lingering in the stone, echoing in the streets. This is Orihuela's Old Town, a place shaped by faith, by geography, and by centuries of human presence. A short walk through narrow streets brings you to the Arco de Santo Domingo, an elegant archway that spans the street like a quiet gateway between eras. It connects to the monumental Colegio de Santo Domingo, once one of the most important educational institutions in the region. In its time, scholars studied theology, philosophy, and law here. The arch frames the sky above, stone meeting light. Passing beneath it feels symbolic, a step forward, and yet a step backward in time. Within the maze of narrow streets stands the Iglesia de las Santas Justa y Rufina. Its dome, covered in colorful ceramic tiles, catches the Mediterranean sun. Originally Gothic in structure, later enriched with Baroque detail, the church reflects the artistic evolution of Orihuela itself. Its bell tower rises with quiet elegance. Inside, devotion continues. This is not architecture preserved behind glass. It is living heritage, a place where generations have gathered for celebration, for reflection, for farewell. At the civic heart of the old town lies the Plaza del Ayuntamiento, an intimate square framed by historic facades. The town hall stands with Renaissance dignity, its balanced design reflecting a time of civic pride and confidence. Here, daily life unfolds. Conversations drift across the square. Footsteps cross ancient stone. Shadows move slowly along the walls. Unlike grand European plazas, this space feels personal, almost private, as if the city speaks more softly here. At the heart of the old quarter stands the Catedral de Orihuela. Its foundations date back to the 13th century, built upon the remains of a former mosque. Here, history does not replace itself. It layers. The cathedral's Gothic structure rises with quiet strength. Its bell tower watches over tiled rooftops, marking the hours as it has done for generations. Step inside, and the world softens. Light filters through high windows, falling across chapels carved in stone in devotion. The air feels cool, measured, as if the building itself breathes slowly. This is not only a monument, it is a witness. Above the town rises the rugged silhouette of Monte de San Miguel. This mountain has guarded Orihuela since the Islamic period. At its summit lie the remains of a medieval castle. From below, the ruins seem almost carved from the rock itself. Climb higher, and the view unfolds slowly. The Vega Baja stretches into the distance, fields arranged in careful geometry, church domes rising above the old town, and the quiet curve of the river below. From here, Orihuela reveals its logic, protected by stone, sustained by fertile land, defined by elevation and water. At sunset, the mountain glows in amber light. The old town below softens into gold, and for a moment, past and present feel inseparable. And beside it all flows the Rio Segura. For centuries, This river has shaped the destiny of the region. It nourished the fertile lands of the Vega Baja. It sustained communities. It connected neighborhoods. Its presence is steady, not dramatic, not forceful, but essential. At dusk, cathedral towers shimmer in its reflection, water carrying the image of stone, movement reflecting permanence. Hidden within the cathedral complex is one of Orihuela's most peaceful spaces, the cloister, a small Gothic courtyard enclosed by elegant arches. Here, time slows even further. Footsteps echo gently against the stone. Palm leaves move with the breeze. For centuries, clergy walked these corridors in contemplation. Today, visitors do the same. The symmetry of the arches, the balance of light and shadow, create something rare in modern life: stillness. Orihuela's Old Town is not defined by a single monument. It is defined by relationship between mountain and valley, between faith and scholarship, between civic life and quiet devotion, between stone and river. Here, history does not announce itself loudly. It reveals itself slowly, in arches, in domes, in plazas warmed by evening light. And as night settles over tiled rooftops, as the bells mark another passing hour, Orihuela continues what it has always done. It endures, calm, rooted, unfolding at its own pace. A city shaped by stone, guided by faith, and carried always by the river.